Hey everyone, today's video is going to be a little bit different. As you can see, I thought you guys might be bored of seeing my beautiful face, even though it is beautiful. Well, I thought I'd include a little bit more of me so that it's a bit more interactive and you can see my hands, because I'm actually a very expressive person. So, let's get started. What are we going to talk about today? Well, it's search. Now, you might think search is kind of boring, maybe a little bit simple, or maybe you don't actually know how to use it. But this is a specific kind of search on your iPhone or iPad called smart search or swipe to search. Now, the way of using this is actually if you swipe left from your home screen or down on the newer phones, then you'll get a search bar. Now, the way that you know it's a search bar is that you will see a magnifying glass icon appear on your screen, as well as a box right next to the magnifying glass icon where you can start typing in what you're looking for. This search is more than just a normal search though. It allows you to search not only for the internet but also on your phone at the same time. If you typed in a name of a restaurant, you might see, for example, the website for that restaurant, as well as a map for that restaurant, as well as they might have an app for the restaurant where you can actually see the menu and book online. You can see that this will actually help you a lot more, because, for example, if you're typing in hotels in London, instead of redirecting you to a website, it might actually take you to the TripAdvisor app, where you'll be able to find recommendations and actually reviews, and this will be much more useful for you to find out what other people are saying about a hotel than what the hotel says about themselves, right? How many times have you found yourself just scrolling through the apps on your home screen to find a specific app that you might have put into a folder or moved to a different location, and you just can't find it? Well, instead of having to go through all that hassle where you're just scrolling for too long, searching for something and getting frustrated, then you might actually use the smart search or swipe to search, where you can type in the name of the app you're looking for, and I'm sure it will help you find it. So for example, I type in Google, because there's so many Google apps. You've got Google Maps, you've got Google Calendar, you've got Gmail, YouTube. All of these apps are by Google, and some of them actually start with the word Google, so you might have actually grouped them up somewhere and not realize that you put them together in a folder. But if you search for it directly by typing in Maps, that will come up with your maps on your iPhone and also Google Maps together, so you can choose which one you want to use. One amazingly quick feature though is the ability to do conversions and calculations without actually having to leave the search. So now you can type in something like 3 times 5 or 2 plus pi, and it will actually calculate those values and give you an answer. So you don't have to open your calculator app. Apps actually take a long time to load. As well as that, you could even type in, for example, £200 in USD, US dollars, and this would actually do the conversion for you straight away. Not only does the smart search do currency conversion, but it also does measurement conversions too. So what that means is actually you can type in something like 200 feet in meters, and it will actually give you the amount in meters straight away without having to open again another specific app or search on the internet to find out the answer. So let's just take a step back and look at how to use the smart search. So if you go up to the home screen by clicking the home button on your iPhone or iPad, and then just swipe down from anywhere on the screen, you should see the smart search appear. Alternatively, if you keep swiping left, eventually you'll get to a similar screen like the smart search, where you'll also find a few other widgets. Either way, to close the smart search, you can either click the home button or click cancel. Now, all of these features might seem quite simple, but when put together, it's much quicker and saves you a lot of time, rather than having to open apps or open your contacts or go to Google and do a search, or even, for example, swipe through your home screen and try and find an application. So next time you're on your iPhone or iPad, just give a quick swipe to the left or a quick swipe down from the top and see if you can find that search bar, and I promise you that you're going to find it so much quicker and so much easier. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I'd really love some feedback from all of you because I've been doing this for almost a week now. So please leave a comment or send me a message to let me know about how I could improve these videos and how I could provide you with more value. Till next time.